Okay, so stop me if you heard this one. A Cajun man and a lumberjack walk into a bar. Find out what happens next on A Texan Shaves.
A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Today we're going to be using a soap that is coming out on August 6th. Coming up very soon, brand new. This is a collaboration between the Cajun Blade and Matthew Lawrence. It's called Lumberjack Luxury. Of course, I had to wear my flannel shirt in honor of the flannel man himself, Matthew Lawrence. Good job. Now this one is crazy good, y'all. I have not used it yet. This is in the new Brangus base. Man, it smells wonderful. It's a little bit about the sales blurb here. It is a bold, smoky, unapologetically masculine Lumberjack Luxury Tallow Shave Soap for the rough, the rugged, and the relentless. This isn't some soft floral puff of foam. Lumberjack Luxury is a raw masculine punch to the face, exactly what a man in the woods deserves. It's for the primal beast, the grizzled journeyman, the axe-swinging backwoods badass who doesn't just walk into the wild, he owns it. Built on our F1 Brangus tallow base, this soap explodes with rich lather, insane slickness, post-shave comfort that will have you checking your reflection twice. Made from Louisiana-sourced grass-fed beef tallow, it's dense, creamy, and as tough as the men who use it. The scent of primitive sophistication, a primal blend that commands attention without saying a word. It is the top notes of sweet Cuban tobacco and deep smoky oud. Heart notes of oak moss, H. patchouli, and dry sandalwood, and a base of a dirty shot glass of bourbon, Texas cedar, and a snort of amber, tonka bean, and a splash of musk. Sounds incredible. And it is incredible. All right, for the hardware today, also I do have the after sauce to go with that. For the hardware today, I'm using my Heritage Collection Ever-Ready 200 with a bore knot. Haven't used this brush in a while. It is one of my favorite bore brushes I have. And for the razor, I am using my Sun Moon straight razor. And let's get things going. So let me get this brush going here. Bring out some of that water. And we're going straight in on the tub. Oh man. Oh, that smells so good. That musk is really coming out. Get this loaded really nice. That should be plenty. Beautiful, already making an amazing creamy lather. Get this tub rinsed out. Let's get that set aside. Got too much stuff up here. All right, glasses off. Let's get the face wet. Have about 24 hours growth. Well, the last shave I had was with that the video I did with the batch 3, and I had such a damn good shave. I could not shave yesterday, so actually it's more than 24 hours, but growth wise it's only about 24 hours. But anyway, oh wow, ooh. Oh, that tobacco and oud is so good. Can't believe I'm wearing a flannel shirt in the middle of a Texas summer, right? I gotta represent the lumberjacks. This new base is incredibly good. If you did not get a hold of Destin Breeze, be sure you get a hold of this one. You've got to try this base. Beautiful. All right. Warm up this razor. Here we go. Ooh, I got part of my mustache there. This one is filling up my bathroom with a wonderful fragrance. Cannot wait to get to the applesauce. Super slick. Get my fingers out of the way so I can see. Beautiful. You know, with everything I have in the mirror when I do these, it really makes a straight razor shave hard because I don't have a very big mirror either. I've got the phone in my setup to hold the phone here. I've got my notes right here, and I just have this little square off to the side. And with straight razor shaving, it makes it tough. I'm always just kind of poking around trying to see what little area I can see. It's kind of funny sometimes. Maybe I need to set up another camera sometime and show what it looks like when I'm making a video. Anyway, let's get going for the second pass. Oh. This is definitely everything the sales blurb says. It is a masculine, manly fragrance. Matthew and Eric, y'all did a fantastic job on this. I will use this one a lot. I cannot wait to see the depth of the splash. All right. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. Caught myself right there. Definitely did. All right. Not bleeding yet. We'll see. So, yeah, let's get the fingers are a little slippery for some reason. This must be this crazy good base. All right. Beautiful. Collared shirt, taking on my lather. And of course, being a straight razor shave, I'm not talking very much. Sorry, guys. All right. All right, I'm gonna do a little cleanup. Gonna rinse off, come back up with a splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. Oh man, this soap is incredible, and it smells so good. Very, very good. See if I can make myself look halfway presentable again. All right. Now time for the after sauce. Be sure you shake Eric's after sauce up very, very well. Let's get a healthy amount. Oh, wow. Man. Okay, now I'm getting more of the bourbon and the cedar. Those base notes are coming through more on this. Not as much musk as in the soap. The patchouli is a little lighter also. Ooh. Is that a healthy dose of menthol in there? I mean, not crazy, but definitely. Eric, is that mentholated? Let me know. Maybe you told me and I don't remember. Definitely feels a bit mentholated. Let's see. Ah, menthol. Bonus. Man, that is good. every one of those notes are there. I'm just not getting the patchouli and the musk as much as I was in the soap. But it's beautiful, man. It is such a beautiful fragrance, guys. This one is crazy good, crazy masculine. This is a daily wear anywhere, any season. Hashtag great for the bowling alley. This is a daily shave fragrance for me. I'm definitely going to use this again in the morning. That's all I got, guys. Check this out. It's going to be available on August 6th. It will be available at the Cajun Blades Etsy store. Don't miss out. And if you have not tried the new base, this is the one to get it in. If you don't care for this fragrance just by the notes, get Destin Breeze. You have to try this new base. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves. Goodbye.
Find your peace in